Okay, we're going to read this up where it says, which box plot represents the data listed below? Well, this is the original data right here. And I have gone ahead and put them in ascending order from little to big. But I want to check and make sure I have everything. First I had a 6, then a 7, then 2 9s, then I had a 20, a 22, 26, 28, 29, and 30. And always count to make sure you didn't miss anything. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 data pieces, or data pieces of data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to figure out the median, because we need to figure out which box plot is represented by this data. So I'm going to put my dots here. So I'm splitting the data in 2 pieces. All right, so if I look, I've got 5 on this side and 5 on this side. So I'm going to have to take these 2 numbers right here and figure out what my median is. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to go to function. I'm going to click on mean. I'm going to go back to my main screen. I'm going to put in 20, comma, and 22. And that tells me my median is 21. So let's look for 21 just to see if that's enough information. Well, that's not it. This might be it. That's 21. This is 21. That can't be it either because it doesn't have the right thing. And this is 21. So we've got 2 possible answers. So let's mark out the ones that are not possible. Okay? This one does not have a line down the middle of that box, so it's not possible at all for that to be it. So we've got 2 other things. Well, how about minimum, or lower extreme and upper extreme? Let's look at that. My lower extreme is 6. My upper extreme is 30. So let's look at our 2 possibilities. Lower extreme is 6. Upper extreme is 30. So that works. Now let's try this one. Lower extreme 6. Upper extreme 6. So we've still got 2 that are possibly working. So now let's go and let's figure out the lower quartile and the upper quartile. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my line right here because I know that was the middle. And I'm going to use these data points to find my lower quartile, which is a 9. So let's see here. Well, this one is at 13. That's not right. This one is at 9. That is correct. But let's go ahead and check up here to make sure. The 28 would be my upper quartile, and the 28 is right here. So D is definitely your answer. All right, let's look at the next one. Okay, the box plot shows the lifespan of crocodiles and alligators at the zoo. What is the difference of the interquartile ranges for group A and group B? So first of all, let's talk about what interquartile range is. That is just the difference, which means subtract, from the top of a box to the bottom of the box. So the top of the crocodile box is 75. So I'm going to type 75 minus the bottom of the box, which is 55. So that interquartile range for the crocodiles, group A, is 20. So let's find it for the alligators, okay? The alligators, the top of the box is 55. So I'm going to type that there. And I'm going to subtract the bottom of the box, which is your 45. Oops, sorry, I'm in the wrong place. And that gives you 10. So when it says what's the difference of the interquartile ranges, that means I need another line on my calculator. I'm going to take 20, because that's the interquartile range of the crocodile, and subtract the 10, which is the interquartile range of the alligator, and that gives me a difference of 10. So that means my answer has to be B. Okay? Be careful when you do the first one and get 20. You don't want to pick this answer here, all right, because it wants the difference between both of them. So this one was 20, the second one was 10, so I had to subtract them and find the 10. All right?